Hi, I'm Robert Toomey, and this is a quick overview of the Polygon editor ability in WG2. Okay, so here I've got a product loaded. I've got a May 3rd data set, and I'm looking at this timestamp of 305 or 13305 in here. And what I want to do is I want to draw polygons on this. And not only that, though, I want to put some extra information in the polygons, and I want to move forward and backward in time with it, and I want to keep more than just polygons for a particular area. I want to change it in time. So I'm not going to go on how to add a source. That's another video. But if you go to features and add a point set, which is either like right now 2 points or 1 point, because it relates also to the V slice, you'll get this set. And what this is, you've got this box here where it basically lists all your points. And here you got, I can click on one and move it around. And these are just the two it made by default. I'm going to go and clear that out. And what we'll do is we're going to act like we're going to create some new polygons. So what I do is I use this plus tool here, hit the plus sign. And I could say, go ahead and click like this, draw a polygon box. And this button here, this gets the box, we start a new polygon. So I start a new polygon. I click like this, start another polygon. So let me just make a few real quick. So there we go. I'm going to go back to the drawing tool. This button here lets me delete. So like for instance, if I click on one here, number two selected, I can delete the polygon if I don't like that one. I can also click on something in the list like a polygon here, and I can add a point to that polygon and drag them around, move them around until I'm happy with them. See, I can also click on one and I can go to this note field here and I can put a note in. I can say hello, hit enter. And you'll see down here in the table you've got hello on the right side. And over here it shows the text hello. So, let's say this was Supercell 1 or something, I could do that. And I can label any point I want. So you can also save here with the save button. It'll save an Excel file of all the points, and you can load them in. And there's an export button which does Esri shape files, but most people won't have to worry about that. Down here, you've got your list of points. It's like 0001-1. This is 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, 0.4, 0.5, but this -1 after it is the polygon number. So basically, it gives a unique number to each polygon, depending on the point it's in. Let's see. The next thing that's interesting is this auto thing here. This is the thing I think is really cool. Once I've got a source loaded, you'll see that the name here matches the name of the product I've got loaded in display. So what I've done is I've already used this polygon editor to make polygons. And in a folder directory, I've got an XML file for each timestamp. So I'm looking at the 305. This 305 already exists. So if I tell the display where this folder is, see, all my polygons just changed because it found that file when I added the directory and it loaded it up. So what we're going to do is, we're looking at that, but I've already got files created for those other XMLs, right? So if I go forward in time, it's actually, the polygons are moved. So all I can do is I go to a particular time, like I go to this 0.03 and I say I want to move this box, I can move it like that. And then I go forward again and go back, it's kept. So you can actually create a time series of polygons over time and create files for it. What happens is if you get to the end of your time and nothing's actually created, let's say like here I've gone all the way up to 757. If you go, well, I'm at the end of my data, but if you go up, for instance, if I went up, it would just copy the current polygon sets to that new file. It just wrote a new file because I went up to a new elevation, which doesn't mean anything. But let's say I could go, this one here, I could delete the polygon, for instance. If I go back down, see the polygon's there, right? I had a file there for the. So it overwrites it. It allows you to do a time series. And then, obviously, if you loop, you can see my changes that I've changed the polygons basically being displayed over time. Now that that works, you can create a Python script or something to read into the XML, and you've got the data in the XML files, including the notes, so you're able to keep notes for each point or each polygon. You know, I would say maybe you could label the first point of each polygon if you just want to label the polygon itself. You can also label each point if you wanted to, and that's about it. All right, but that's all I need for this tool. I think it could be useful.